Hey there, it's Ruth Rowland with my second video in my chop tutorial series. Last time we talked about the basic chop, which is basically just covering the strings and slapping the bow down onto them. This time we're going to go over the up chop, which is lifting, and the soft chop, which I guess the up chop is a soft chop, but the softer landing, which makes a gentler sound. I post content like this every week, so if this interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'll show up in your feed more often. So, diving in, we have the basic chop and pulling up. So we could just, if we do it right away, there's enough friction between our bow and the strings that the up makes a sound. If we want more sound, we can pull the bow toward us, so sort of like picking the sound off the string. But that's not necessary usually, especially with the hard chop. So let's practice a few of those. Maybe we'll do 4 sets of 4 of these hard chop and lifts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Great. Now let's practice a softer landing. Takes a little more finesse, pinky power, thumb strength, but less from back here, less from your deltoids and triceps. So we can do 4 sets of 4 of these, same speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Great. Now comes the fun part. We can combine the soft chops and the hard chop into groove patterns. And the first one I'd like to show you is called the standard 8th note groove. As its name implies, it's kind of an all-purpose groove pattern. It's good for pop and rock and blues and metal as well as bluegrass. So it's basically just 1 chick, boom, chick, 1 chick, boom, chick. Soft chop, hard chop. Soft chop, hard chop. Okay? And let's do 4 iterations of that pattern. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You may have noticed that I find it easier to do the hard chop on a different set of strings from the soft chop. I was doing the soft chops on the lower strings and the hard chop on the upper strings. You could do it the other way around too. Putting the hard chop on the lower strings is a little bit more work for me, so I might do it that way if I wanted that particular sound. Okay. So the next one I'd like to tell you about is called 4 to the floor, and we've actually already practiced that. That's the hard chop and lift. This is good for funk and disco, and it's a lot of fun. A little more work than the standard eighth note, but it's worth it. I will demonstrate this with a melody at the end of the video, but for now I'd just like to sum up that when you're doing the soft chop, it's just a softer landing. You have to kind of use a lot of pinky power on your bow hand and just do a soft landing. And then when you do the up bow, sometimes it helps to pick the note off the string. And then combine it with the hard chop to do different groove patterns. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you find out when the next one posts. We'll be adding voiced notes, actual, I'm excited about it. All right, so to take us out, we're going to have some 4 to the floor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and...